Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Financial Radio. In this video, we'll be discussing about the important updates we have today in the live market. Today we have an interesting update from Tata Group. Tata Group is set to launch its another new IPO. We will discuss the details in this video. And we will also discuss about Mamaearth's recent surge. Mamaearth surged 10% today. We will discuss the reasons in this video. And we also have an important update from Godrej. Is the bull run in the past days in Godrej is over or not? We will discuss the details in this video as well. So before going to that, let's check Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty closings and how they reacted today. Today Nifty opened a small gap up and taken the support of yesterday's closing price. And after that, a good green candle breakout is seen in the market, but the breakout didn't sustain. A sharp red candle, after that a follow through candles, we can see the selling move. The selling move continued until the day end. So initially 21,640 acted as support, but after breaking that support, Nifty taken the same level as the resistance and the selling continued further. So the day high is 21,763 and the day low is 21,492 and Nifty closed at 21,511 points, which means 21,500 level will be a crucial level for tomorrow. So when coming to Bank Nifty acted similarly. After opening, Bank Nifty made a day high of 48,154 points and after that it made a downside move and a small consolidation move has been seen. So 48,000 level has been broken in the morning itself, but after that a sharp buying move has been seen, but the buying didn't continued. A follow through selling has been seen, breaking down all the supports. We have multiple supports at around 47,800 level and 47,900 level and 47,700 level. So multiple supports has been formed and the supports has been broken. But at the day end, the day low has been formed at around 47,387 points and the closing price is 47,464 points. So it was nearly around 47,500 level has been broken down. So it may be a crucial level for tomorrow as well. It may act as resistance, or if market opens gap up, that level may act as a support as well. Now we are going to discuss about the Tata Group's new IPO. We have an interesting update. Yes, the Tata Group has initiated talks to list Tata Autocomp Systems, TACO, its auto components manufacturing business. The formal process is expected to begin later this year. TACO is fully owned by Tata Group entities, with Tata Sons holding around 21% and the rest held by Tata Industries Limited. The discussions currently in early stages focused on which Tata Group entities will divide their stakes and overall quantum of stake to be sold in the IPO. In 2011, the Tata Group had planned a 750 crore IPO for TACO, but withdraw the IPO launch, possibly due to unfavorable market conditions. The market conditions are considered more favorable and TACO's growth adds promise to the upcoming IPO. While success is anticipated, details such as which Tata Group entity will divest stake and divestment quantum require careful evaluation. There is a speculation about bringing in an investor before the IPO, a strategy previously used with Tata Technologies. TACO, founded in 1995, operates in various auto component segments. Revenues surged approximately 57% to 14,372 crore rupees in fiscal year 2023, with a focus on the EV segment. TACO's turnover is projected to continue growing at mid to high double digits, with a particular emphasis on components catering to the EV sector. As TACO prepares for its IPO, it aims to capitalize on the expected growth in the EV industry. So, before going to invest or checking the financial status, please consult your financial advisor as well. Today we need to discuss about an important update from Mamaearth's parent company Honasa Consumer. Honasa Consumer witnessed a remarkable surge of 10% to reach a record high of 490 rupees. This surge came after a significant block deal worth 140 crore rupees took place on January 8th, involving 32.60 lakh shares representing a 1% stake in that company. Let's dive deep into the details. The floor price for the transaction was set at 437 per share, indicating a slight discount of nearly 2% from the previous closing price. The undisclosed buyers and sellers in this transaction add an air of mystery to the market speculation. This isn't the first time Mamaearth has been in the spotlight. Just a month ago, Fireside Ventures sold a 2% stake in the company for a whopping 230 crore rupees. This recent surge has caught the attention of brokerage firm Jefferies, which was not only retained a buy call on the stock but also raised its target price of 530 rupees. Jefferies is optimistic about Mamaearth's growth trajectory, with over 30% revenue growth and consistent margin expansion. According to Jefferies, Honasa Consumer, Mamaearth's parent company, has been placed into their model portfolio, replacing Marico. The firm sees Honasa on a robust growth path, and they have increased their EPS estimates by 5 to 6%. This move aligns with their confidence in Mamaearth's ability to maintain substantial revenue growth while expanding margins. As always, it's crucial to note that the views and investment tips expressed in this report are those of the experts and not necessarily reflective of our channel. Investors are advised to consult their certified experts before taking any investment decisions. As we go further, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. Now we have an interesting update from Godrej Consumer Products. We'll discuss the recent developments and impact of its shares. So Godrej Consumer Products shares took a hit, falling by 5% in early trade on January 8th. The FMCG major reported a low single-digit sales decline in rupee terms for the quarter ending December 31st. Despite a challenging domestic operating environment with low rural offtake, Godrej projected steady underlying volume growth in the mid-single digits. The company highlighted broad-based growth in both home care and personal care segments. Notably, Park Avenue and Kama Sutra brands are performing well and are on track to achieve their full-year targets. However, the Latin America business revenue suffered a severe blow due to the sharp devaluation of the Argentinian peso from 361 to 808. Hyperinflation in the region further impacted 9 months of revenue. Consequently, Godrej anticipates a mid-single digit negative impact on consolidated sales, but minimal impact on profits due to hyperinflation. Analysts from CLSA and Morgan Stanley have different views on Godrej Consumer Products. CLSA maintains a sell call with a target price of 936 rupees per share, citing currency fluctuation as a reason for the decline in organic sales growth. On the other hand, Morgan Stanley retains an overweight call, setting a price target of 1072 rupees per share. In conclusion, Godrej Consumer Products faces challenges in its Q3 performance, primarily driven by currency devaluation in Latin America. The impact on sales is expected to be negative, but the company remains optimistic about maintaining positive volume growth in the face of a challenging environment. Before making any investment decisions, viewers are advised to consult their certified financial experts and conduct thorough research. That's all we have for today. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also share to the friends who are in need. Thanks for watching.